Hello TBCians, this is Professor Matthias from Kampala, Uganda, and today I am answering questions that many people normally ask about how to do a send button test in Kulingo Cashback Office. Very many TBCians, they normally don't navigate the Kulingo Cashback Office options, and it is part of our daily routine to always visit Kulingo Cashback Office and navigate all the functions in the office. One should navigate them. Send button test, you find them in Kulingo Cashback Office under Education. Then click on Send Button Test. You first read and understand, then the story. Then after reading, then answer questions correctly. Those TBCians that don't normally do this send button tests are the very people who normally complain that the admin is eating our money, what. Those are the very people that are spreading the rumors, and those are the very people that are calling TBC scam. The admin is scamming them. That is wrong. Everybody that joins TBC must read and understand those questions so that no one should complain. It is clear, and whoever signs and reads those questions and answers them, he can't complain that admin is eating his money, because the money we pay, it normally goes to the IT department and the staff. It costs money to host a website, to have staff and IT technicians. It costs money to make a coin network running 24/7. It costs a lot of money. So, and TBC is not having projects that bring in money in the community. So, we normally fund TBC to run its functions of its work. So, send button test, everyone must fill it immediately after joining TBC. Then he or she should navigate and answer all those questions. Yes, this is Professor Matthias from Kampala, Uganda. Over and out.